Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial where we are going to explore the functionality and applications of the TextSplit function. This is much easier and with more options than previous text-to-column wizard. The TextSplit function allows you to break down a text or string into smaller parts based on specific criteria. This is incredibly useful in various scenarios. Let's dive into some examples. In its simplest form, you can split a sentence into words using spaces as the delimiter. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. If I type the function like equal TextSplit and opening bracket, then select this cell and now put a comma, then the next input we need to give to this function is column delimiter. In this case, it is single space within double quote. Now close the bracket and hit enter, and all these words are split in the next consecutive cells. But TextSplit's power doesn't stop here. You can use regular expressions for more complex splitting. By using regular expressions, you can break down strings that follow specific patterns like dates or even complex structures. For example, let's suppose I have these data separated by these delimiters. For multiple delimiters, we just need to put curly brackets at the beginning of the column delimiters and at the end of the column delimiters, but before the closing bracket or parenthesis. So let's do it. One more thing, you can recall that we can use text to column option in this case, but I will recommend to use this function in place of moving text to column from data menu because of the two reasons. Number one, if there is many delimiters, text to column will not accept all these delimiters. There is limitations to accept delimiters in this case, but if you use TextSplit function, you can use many delimiters. And the second reason is, as this is a function, so it is very easy to implement. You don't need to use step-by-step wizard. In a nutshell, we can say that TextSplit function is better replacement of text to column command in Excel. So there you have it, a glimpse of TextSplit function and its incredible capabilities. Feel free to experiment with it in your own projects and discover how it can simplify your text processing tasks. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more such updates.